Hello guys, my name is Shibidan. Today I will show you how to create a download link in HTML. Now, in order to get started, you need a text editor, an editor that you prefer. Now you can just use Notepad right here, but I have to warn you, Notepad as a text editor is not really suitable for the job because again, it's really not easy to just remember every single code, every single thing about the programming language you are about to code in. So make sure you use a much more advanced text editor. Here we are going to use Atom for this tutorial. If you don't know where to download Atom, just head over to this website. Now the URL for the text editor right here is pretty simple to memorize. Here, atom.io. Here it is, the URL. Now let's close that. Now it might look like this when you just started out on Atom. Click open a project, or open a project. Here we are going to create our project file first. We're going to go ahead and close that. Uncheck this if you don't want to get annoyed by the welcome guide. Now create our file, index.html. There we go. Let us get started, shall we? First of all, before we start to code, show this file into the Explorer by right-clicking the folder and show in Explorer. There we go. We are going to drag something that can be used to download. Here, for example, we are going to use a picture. As you can see here, this is a picture. Now let's get started, shall we? I zoom in the text so you can all see it. The title for our website will be download. Now for the download link, as you can see here, for the download link, we are going to add a simple title for our body part, like here. Anchor H1. Save it by using either Control S, pressing your Control S on your keyboard, or just save it. Now let's run our there we go. Typo right there. Down. As you can see here, to add your download tag, here copy and paste the file name, and add a download. There we go. Now in order for this to really work, you have to host the file on your local host. Otherwise it won't work. But hosting your file on your local host really took some time and It is really highly complicated. I don't recommend beginners to actually do this. If you want to avoid pulling your hair out, then the best thing you can do is host it on the free and available free hosting site. Here we are going to give you an example of what I meant. Now as you can see here, this is WebHost. Now this is one of those free web hosting website. For those who really are wondering what is the URL, here just type this into your address bar. Now I will show you how to host your website and provide a download. As you can see here, scroll down to file manager. Sorry. Now it will load. There we go. As you can see here, we have nothing in here. If we try to visit our website right here, you will see that it's still missing. Now we are going to drag our index.html. Remember, if you want to create a website, always name your home page index.html, because every single web server out there are designed to target only the index.html as their home page. Upload. Now you are basically done. You can now visit your website right here, and to test that it will work, I will click this link. There we go. And yeah, basically that's pretty much it. That's how you create a download link in HTML. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.